In this video, I will be showing you how to trace a design. You will need to select the bottom left button that says Start, and it'll give you the first option, which is Trace Immediate. Go ahead and hit Enter on Trace Immediate. This is a view of the hoop. When selecting Trace Immediate, go ahead and hit Enter to see the area that you will be tracing your design. If you don't like the area that your trace has done, you can go ahead and select with your arrow keys the area that you want to do your design. And that's how you trace a design.